All right, so inside memes, there is a little kernel of truth, and we're going to look at some of these travel memes and try to figure out if they are accurate or not.
Yeah, let's do it. Hey guys, it's Paula and Natasha with Nomadic-AF. Today we're looking at travel memes, and Daisy here is going to help us. Let's do it.
All right, let's check it out.
Okay, guys, how some of y'all say you want to travel the world but are rude AF to people that don't speak English.
We're looking at you, MAGA. Yeah, we just did a whole thing on a MAGA guy that wants to come down to Mexico, and his whole profile is filled up with anti-Mexican, anti-gay, anti-Spanish, everything. Like, if you can't handle foreigners, don't travel. Just go back to Myrtle Beach or whatever it is you do.
Yeah.
We don't need you down here screwing things up. All right, management, if you decide to take your vacation days, you'll be leaving us all extremely short-staffed.
Me. Sounds awful. Best of luck.
Yeah,
He's
that's
already
not,
in his car.
He's already in his car. Yeah, that's not my problem. You should have staffed better.
Yeah.
Not my problem.
You see this? Are you still flying?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah,
I've flown in trash airplanes and that. For
yeah,
sure.
100%.
Yeah, if the pilot will get in fly, I will get in the plane with him. I do not care. When you can't afford to go anywhere, but all your friends are posting cute vacation pics.
Oh, that's not cool.
That's kind of cute, though. Well, you're with somebody. You look like you're having a good time with a cutie.
Yeah, fun.
You're fine. You're fine. You don't need vacation pics.
Why is everyone's main goal to get married and have kids? Like, don't you guys want to do drugs in foreign countries?
I ain't copping to nothing.
We ain't copping to nothing, but yeah, travel provides a lot of opportunities
for fun.
You. For fun, yeah.
Whatever that fun might be.
Yeah.
All right, them. What do you like to do for fun? Me, travel, talk about travel, plan more travel, and eat good food while I travel.
Yeah, accurate.
Yeah, that's kind of us. That's if you want to come approach us to talk, that's probably what you're going to hear about. Tampa International Airport. Better make sure you stand right in front of the boarding line in case they start with zone 12 for once.
Oh my God! Like, guys,
what are you doing?
This?
What are you doing? Like,
we're not gonna leave without you.
Those are the worst people, and they're always on our flight.
Yeah. Always. The only math you need to be taught in school is travel math.
Well, they should at least include it. They don't need to be the, but I don't remember using any geometry very recently, or
maybe use travel math a lot more.
Maybe even algebra.
It does look like our flights because we're so cheap. I usually get a 7 a.m. flight, and we're waking up at 3 in the morning.
Yep, always. Go to the beach, they said. It'll be fun, they said. That 100% looks like my face coming home from the beach.
Yeah.
And we live in beach towns all the time.
I know. Sometimes we'll live like 2 blocks from the beach, and we still only go once a month or so because it is a pain in the dick.
It's work, bro. And you always come back like exhausted.
Yeah.
All right. No more kids. Oh, you're so gross. All right.
Don't be afraid to spend money on trips. Be afraid of growing old and realizing the only place you ever went was work. Oh, this is so true.
Yep, you're going to spend your whole life. This is for the American crowd because they love working, man. That's the only thing Americans care about. I spent 15 years without taking a vacation, and I can afford my vacation now. Yeah, but you can't walk, your heart's giving out, you're tired, you're grumpy, you're cranky.
Yeah. Oh, this one's along the same lines. You're telling me the earth looks like this and I'm supposed to work 9 to 5 until I'm 65?
Do you have anything to say about that? No? Okay. Yeah, that's like, there's too much shit to see to be sitting in an office all the time. American people are so like work is their identity. Like, that's all that matters to them. And they're missing the whole world, one life to live, and you're sitting in somebody's office making somebody else rich.
Yeah. Oh, I like this one. In 2019, I wrote my phone number on a Jenga piece and a hostel in Iceland. Today, I received this photo. Yeah, travelers are like this.
Travelers are like this.
Yeah.
I mean, the traveler is a different kind of mindset, you know, and it's cool when you're a traveler because when you're on the road, you do meet people who are just like you.
Yeah, you meet and say goodbye to a lot of people.
Different cultures, different ethnicities, languages, colors, but they're all your people who like to do what you like to do, and they will do this. If you
we leave like our information in books and stuff.
Yep,
sometimes.
and we always hear back. Yeah. All right. Well, those were just a few travel memes we were able to find this morning. We're probably going to do this again next week. So if you like hearing about travel and looking at some stupid memes, make sure to tune in.
Yeah, definitely like and subscribe as well, because we post stuff like this all the time. And leave us a comment of your favorite travel meme, and we'll react to it next time.
Lates.
Lates.